Well, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag on Roblox. It's very easy and simple, and this will work for every Android phone and also iOS. So all what you have to do is go to the settings on any server on Roblox from here, as you can see, and then click on this settings option and scroll all the way down. And now all what you have to do is turn on the camera inverted, and then make the graphics quality lower as possible. And now all what you have to do is just go back. Let me show you. Okay, let's go back, and now as you can see there is actually no lag. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this educational video. See you later, and thank you so much.